Welcome to Quiterian. In this video, we will demonstrate how easy and fast it is to obtain data from our company using the software Quiterian DD Web. This example is focused on quickly identifying where loyal customers shop. We will play the role of a marketing director of a bank with 1 million customers, more than 2 million accounts, and more than 46 million credit card transactions. Let's start. We access Quiterian DD Web and introduce our access data to explore the data that we've just explained. We have 1 million customers, more than 2 million accounts, more than 46 million transactions generated by the bank's customers. We will analyze altogether 52 million registers. In this example, we're using a laptop. To analyze how loyal the customers are, we have different techniques and alternatives. We have selected a very simple technique. Understanding in which periods the customers have made transactions and when they stopped from shopping. Therefore, customers who have made transactions in all periods will be considered as loyal. Those who stopped from shopping will move into the group of inactive customers. And those who have not performed a transaction again will move into the group of lost customers. In many occasions, in order to perform an exercise such as this one, analysts demand information in a specific form. In this case, the data that we have available from the beginning include the transaction's date, but what we need is an analysis of transactions per quarter. Since this information does not exist yet, we're going to generate it now. Users can generate expressions and create fields as they go along. So now we will create a new field with information related to the quarter. In the table of credit card transactions, we create a new field indicating the quarter in which the transaction occurred. We add the date, and in this moment we are creating the table of transactions, which contains 46 million registers, a new field for each one of these registers. Here it is. This way, we obtain 10 million transactions referred to the first quarter, 11 million transactions for the second quarter, and so on. Once we have classified these transactions per quarter, we will use a very user-friendly analytical technique that will let us discover hidden relationships. We launch the transactions of the first, the second, and the third quarters. There is no intersection between transactions made in the 3 quarters, which is totally logical since they are independent. But if we look at the customers, we can check that we have 164,000 customers who made transactions in the 3 quarters, 4,200 customers who only made transactions in quarter 1 and quarter 2, but not in quarter 3, and 1,603 customers who shopped in the first and third quarters but not in the second one. At a given point, these customers were asleep. And here we have new customers, 9,703 customers who only operated in the third quarter. We proceed to classifying them. These are the loyal customers. These are the ones we have lost because they stopped operating. These customers are the ones asleep. And finally, these ones are our new customers. By dragging the group of loyal customers and dropping them into the exploration area, we will have the data, the exact detail referring to the 164,000 customers who are loyal since they have purchased in the 3 quarters. If we want their specific features, for example, their age, the most frequent values, how the values are distributed, if they have children, and in this case, how many, their marital status, etc. We can use different ways of representing those values. If what we want is to see the marital status of the new customers who were acquired during the third quarter, we just have to drag this group and drop it onto the graphic. Finally, if we want to know the most typical profile that best describes loyal customers, we will simply drop the group here to see the most relevant variables, using the analytical technique profile. With this, we will get a general picture that will help us to identify the features that best describe this group of analysis. With these results, we could say that loyal customers can be distinguished because their age is ranked between 45 and 60 years old. They have an income band of between 35 and 75K. They have children. And they do not have the features of customers under 30. Single and without children. So the attribute that best describes loyal customers is clearly their age. If we want to prepare a report with the results, we will simply click on the icon and a Word file will be automatically generated. We can also export the data in Excel, or we can keep it in one of our folders and share it with our colleagues. And that's that. We've already seen how easy it is to identify loyal customers and their features in real time. I hope you found this demo useful and you've understood a little better how Quiterian works. We invite you to visit our website where you'll find other available demos. Thank you.